it.
We're gonna get you. No, wait, man. Wait, going down with them all already.
That's like spanking someone.
Give me a chance, chick. Like, you're being abusive. Oh, man, I'm getting tired. I think that was practice.
That was not even. That was just practice. Oh, Nancy's taking the jacket off.
Oh, she's getting serious.
Forget it. Hold on. This is gonna take a little while. I'm scared. No, woman. No! No! I fell down miserably.
You failed.
Yes.
Four hits.
Nancy is crazy with this. Take it easy. And we're getting video clips.
Yes, you are. And hopefully it's gonna go on Facebook.
Hopefully not.
Sarah's face.
Oh! What button are you pressing? None. I'm not pressing any button. Oh, you were like this.
Jason.
I should get a real sword.
Yeah, you so should. That never comes over.
They have them at the mall.
Terrible.